Once you are done coding for the day, you are ready to clean Raphael's tubing. Here's what you need to do. Go to Raphael Studio to start the program. Click Conformal, then Clean Tubes. This will start running the coating pump backwards to extract the coating that was in the tube and put it back in the tank. The robot is automatically calibrated to run until 9 milliliters of coating has been extracted. This amount can be adjusted on Raphael Studio by going to Advanced Settings, Coating Tube Volume. If it's sucking back too much or too little, change that parameter to make the coating pump run shorter or longer. When it stops, you will get a prompt that says Reconnect Hoses to Cleaning Mode. See diagram. Look at the diagram on Raphael. Notice how the tubes are set up on the running connection diagram. The green tube is attached to the can of coating, and the black tube is attached to the brush. Now look at the cleaning connection. The green tube needs to be connected to the waste jar. The brush is removed, and the white tube from the waste jar is connected in its place. You need to remove the coating pump's green tube from the can of coating and attach it to the green tube on the waste jar. Then remove the brush, rinse with thinner, and soak on a paper towel. Replace the brush with the white brush adapter tube. Connect the lure so the waste jar is attached. Go back to Raphael Studio. On the prompt that says Reconnect Hoses to Cleaning Mode, see diagram, click OK. Now Raphael will run the cleaning cycle starting with purging. Purging means taking solvent and pushing it through the tubes into the waste jar. After purging, the solvent pump will stop and Raphael will begin looping. Looping means cycling solvent through the tubes to remove any coating from the walls of the tubing. The process repeats the pattern of purging, purging, and looping. Raphael is programmed to repeat this pattern 6 times. On Raphael Studio, you can change the cleaning settings by clicking Advanced Settings and looking under Batch Mode. Notice how cycles is set to 6. That's how many times the purging and looping cycle will repeat. You can also control the volume and time of both purging and looping. Raphael is pre-programmed with default settings that we have found work well with most coatings. The cleaning cycle takes roughly 40 minutes, so once Raphael starts purging and looping, you are free to walk away. Now you have successfully started the cleaning process for Raphael.